Okay, so this is a what I wish I knew colored pencil edition. I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys what I wish I knew before starting with colored pencils as a beginner. Let's get into it.
Number one, keep your pencils sharp. It's better to create art with your colored pencils sharp, even when you're creating with maybe, let's just say, graphite pencils. It's important to keep them sharp because of those details, those tiny little details. You wanna make sure you capture all of it using that. So just keep them sharp. Number two, work in light layers and then work your way through to the dark layers. So what you're gonna want to do is apply the light layers first, and then it's important to build those layers, because get started with colored pencil, you're going to realize that it's just not one layer that cuts it. It's just not one layer that makes the artwork pop or whatever. You're going to have to apply multiple layers just to get that satisfaction that you need. 3, mixed media can really help you. Just because it's a colored pencil artwork, that doesn't mean you're limited to not use other materials as well, such as graphite pencil. And honestly, using graphite pencil on colored pencils is really great. It's really amazing, as I am doing in this video. Choose the right paper. I'm not saying buy some expensive paper. I'm saying buy the right paper. Buy paper that you're gonna get used to. Buy paper that is gonna be great to layer those colored pencils on, even if it's cheap paper.
And last but not least, I wish somebody told me to never give up on my art, because all those years, or maybe should I say months, that I may have given up, I would have used those months specifically to get better and practice more. And that would have made my art 100% better.